Guys, so today we are solving x squared minus x cubed is equal to 12. In this case, we are solving for x. Okay, so we have an x squared minus x cubed is equal to 12. And with this, we get that x squared minus x cubed minus 12 is equal to 0. And this 12, negative 12, you can write it as x squared minus x cubed minus 4 minus 8 and it's equal to 0. Okay. Now, let's simplification. We can write an x squared minus x cubed is 4. We can write it as minus 2 squared. And this 8, we can rewrite it as 2 squared 3 is equal to 0. So from here, we can do terms. Okay, so something that x squared minus 2 squared minus x cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, so now if I say that bracket s squared minus 2 squared minus into bracket s cube, and this is minus 2 should be plus 2 cube, which is equal to 0. Okay. This one is a perfect square, which is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. And this one too, we're going to be a cubed plus b cubed and it's equal to a plus b bracket a squared minus ab minus b squared, like this. Okay. So we express our equation as this. We are going to get x plus 2 brackets then x minus 2 bracket close minus bracket x plus 2 bracket x squared minus 2x plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Okay, so now we are having x plus 2 here, x plus 2 here. So we factorize x plus 2 out. Okay, now bracket open, bracket is left with x minus 2, then minus, and this for this side, it's left with a quadratic, which is bracket x squared minus 2x plus 2 squared is 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now from here you can say that x plus 2 into bracket, then bracket open x minus 2 minus x squared, this and this, it will be plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's simplify the bracket. So we have x plus 2 in the bracket. With this, you can get negative x squared. Okay, then x plus 2x is plus 3x. Negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6 and it's equal to 0. So now we have two equations here. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then minus x squared plus 3x minus 6 is also equal to 0. So let's have this from here and say that x is equal to negative 2. Let's solve this case 2. We have a negative x squared here, so let's divide both sides by negative 1. So dividing both sides by negative 1, this one will cancel this. So we have an x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. From here, can use the quadratic equation formula to solve it. So yeah, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c all over 2 multiplied by b. So now we have x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 all squared minus 4 multiplying by 1 multiplied by 6 all over 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 times this is 24. So negative 24 all on 2. Okay, so our x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15 over 2. So our x is equal to 3 plus or minus this negative 15. We can rewrite it as 15 multiplying by square root of negative 1, okay, all over 2. And square root of negative 1 is I. So our expression becomes s is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15 I on 2. Okay, so the answers for s in this case, we have x is equal to negative 2 as one of the answers, and then x, which is equal to 3 plus square root of 15I on 2 as also one answer, and then the third one have 3 minus square root of 15I over 2 as one answer. So these are the possible answers for our equation. Thank you for watching.